What's up, you guys? It's your girl me. I'm back with another video. Y'all, I'm in I am in Myrtle Beach currently, y'all. Just to jump right into it, they sent me a load out here. I'm actually not on vacation or nothing, but they sent me a load. Came to Myrtle Beach. I was like, oh wow, because they never sent me a load coming to Myrtle Beach, so this is the first. But I have been to Myrtle Beach before. It was years ago. But so I parked like literally like maybe like 2 miles away from like the actual like boardwalk, and you can see there's people out. But before we jump into this video, y'all, like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget that once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. And you know, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. That'll enter you. And then once we hit 1,000, I'll figure out a way to decide who wins the money. I'm giving away $250. So yeah, so we out here, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna be recording, but like I said, I came out here. I had to come to the beach because it's been like forever since I've been to the beach. So I just decided to come out here. That's dope. Ferris wheel back there. Let's see. Thumbnail. But yeah, y'all, so we out here. I'm gonna flip the camera around, see what I see. Got the water over here. Not too hot outside, y'all. I said Ferris wheel. I literally just hopped out the Uber. Boardwalk Fright Nights. Okay. But yeah, y'all, I might grab me some food out of one of these places. I'm gonna just kind of walk around. Maybe go, let's see. I'm gonna walk down. Like, it's been so long since I've been out here, y'all. I don't even remember what's out here, but I'm gonna walk the boardwalk, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna walk the little strip, see what it's got going. As you can see, there's people on the beach. It's about it's like a little cool, not a little cool. It's like a little windy, kind of, sort of, kind of. I know I'm gonna get sand in my slides, but it's all good. That's why I wear slides. But I'm gonna get closer to the water down here, because who don't want to see the water? Okay, I'm gonna have to go to that right there. I wish I was gonna be here a little bit longer. Shoot, I probably would have bought a room. It would kind of be a waste of money though. But, you know, just to have that view. But I leave back out later tonight. So it's about like 1 or 2 right now. It's like 2 o'clock right now. So I just decided to come out here and just see. I haven't really been to the beach all year, truthfully. So this is dope. But yeah, y'all, I'ma let's see. Everybody out here chilling though. You know, social distancing still, you know. They like 84 feet apart. I'm just playing. Yeah. The water. It ain't too hot out here. It's not like real like stupid hot, so it ain't too bad. I probably should have just wore shorts, but I just do something on it. Y'all know how I get down. Woo. Sand in my slides. But yeah, so I'm gonna walk the boardwalk a little bit. Get out the sand. But yeah, I was sitting in the truck. I went to sleep because I got here like early this morning, and the place where I had to deliver to was like literally like up the road from here, and luckily they had like some overnight parking, so I didn't have to go try to find no truck stop or anything like that. So called me an Uber. Birds ain't moving. That's crazy. Look at that. Oh, shit. Trying to eat a pickle. These birds lit. But yeah, today's Saturday, so there's people outside, but it's pretty chill from what I see. Yo, they having a whole Jeep like a Jeep event. So there's a lot of Jeeps out here. I just seen it on the on my Snapchat actually. That's nice. Jeep addicts. Look at Jeeps. Got a little spider on the back of that. So y'all, I don't know nothing about Jeeps and how they get down for real, but they got a whole Jeep obstacle course. Dang, is she? Dang, they gotta drive through that hole. What the fuck? Oh, heck no. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what you do with the truck. Okay, I see y'all out here with these Jeeps off-roading. It's kind of dope. Oh, come on. The other dude did it with no problem. Try that thing. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all ain't got that much battery power, so. Oh, I thought he was stuck. Spin that thing. Yo.
I ain't doing nothing but driving through it.
Yeah. Man, they got a big Trump flag on there. You see that back there? Okay, I guess this is fun for them. Okay. There was this one time we went off-roading with the Chargers, you know what I'm saying? We got through it. We didn't have to go through this. But we was in that thing though. Okay. But yeah, this is what they do, I guess, you know what I'm saying? It's another course over there on that side. I ain't doing my guy. Oh, y'all got like 84 people in that thing. Y'all is not making it. Look at you. That green one over there. Yeah. I'm gonna record till we die, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Y'all made that thing. I'm trying to look that thing. No, yeah, I don't know. I might have to get me a Jeep on y'all. Just for this. Just for this part. Splash. Y'all don't know how this goes.
Getting a Hemi swap?
No. I'm just looking. So y'all, I don't know how this gonna turn out because my phone's literally gonna die, but they're doing the Hemi swap. As you can see, Hellcat, it was just going, but I'm just over here checking it out. These Jeeps is dope, yo. I ain't gonna even cap. I'm definitely gonna get me one. But I guess they got the Hellcat motor in them things. Let's see. Yes, sir. Definitely dope. But I'm gonna catch you guys in a second when I can charge my phone up because it's about to die on y'all. Alright, y'all. That's that orange one over there. Got that Hellcat motor in it. This one got all the speakers. That thing huge. Yes, sir. This red one's dope. Alright, y'all, so I ran into Traveling Jeeper. Y'all want to follow? She was live on IG and I hit her up and she said she'll meet up with me out here, y'all. So this is her Jeep. Y'all want to give her a follow? You know what I'm saying? She out here. You know, it's dope. Once again, that's her IG, y'all. Y'all give her a follow. You know what I'm saying? You want to say something to the camera? No? Alright, y'all heard it. She don't want to say nothing, y'all. Alright. But still, you know what I'm saying? Give her a follow. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But, yo, we out here. My phone is literally 3%, so I'm going to cut it short right here. Try to charge it if I can. And I'm going to come back to y'all in a second. Y'all, I had to get this Jeep, yo. It's dope. Gladiator. It's dope. I like it. Oh. Dang. Alright. Got a Jersey plate. Okay. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to come back on here and end this video off. I just got dropped back off at the truck, as you can see. We parked over here by nothing. Like, this is where we at, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so they are everybody else with the Jeeps and stuff, they still riding and stuff, but actually I got a load, so I actually gotta go. Probably here within the next hour or two. I might try to take a little nap, you know, because I've been up for a minute. But that was fun. The little time that I did get to spend on my phone ended up actually dying. And like I said, that was fun. That was like my first time riding in a Jeep with the doors off. I rode in a Jeep before, like once before, but not with the doors off. So that was pretty dope. You know, like I said, I definitely want to try to get a Jeep later on down the line. But yeah, because that was definitely my choice, Charger or a Jeep. I was this close to saying let's get the Jeep, but I decided to go fast. But yeah, y'all, so I'm sitting here chilling for a second and I'm finna figure out what I'm finna do, if I'm finna leave now or leave later, while I still got a little bit of daylight to get out of here, because driving out of here at night, well, coming in here this morning, it was nighttime. It was like nobody on the road, but it was like, I don't know, it was just weird. It was a weird vibe. So I don't know, I might try to leave before dark and get back to the main highway, because if you ever been to Myrtle Beach, you know you gotta drive down this long road that's not the highway, and then you get to the highway. But anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna keep y'all, so I'm gonna stay safe. Y'all stay safe too. Remember to subscribe, because we're gonna give away this money. We're just trying to go up, man. We're trying to go up all 2020. Trying to get to this 1,000, and we're gonna keep going. So I'm gonna see y'all next time, y'all. Be safe. Yeah.